The Mitsubishi Triton, a reliable, no-nonsense pickup truck known for its toughness and value. With a new generation arriving for 2024, is the Triton ready to take on the established rivals? Let's dive into what we know so far. The Triton's redesign isn't about reinventing the wheel, bolder design. Expect a more squared-off front end, inspired by recent Mitsubishi SUVs. The overall shape remains practical. Size: don't expect massive growth. The Triton will stay in the mid-size truck category, emphasizing maneuverability over sheer bulk. Could it share with Nissan? The Triton is part of the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi alliance. There's a chance it could share underpinnings with the next Nissan Frontier for cost savings. Interior: catching up to the pack. Triton interiors have lagged behind rivals in terms of tech and refinement. The 2024 model has to fix this. Material upgrade: more soft-touch surfaces and less utilitarian plastic are a must to stay competitive. Infotainment overhaul: the current system is outdated. Look for a larger touchscreen and up-to-date smartphone integration. Space and comfort: the Triton should retain its spacious cab, but seat comfort likely needs an upgrade. Powertrains, efficiency, and capability. Globally, the Triton offers a variety of engines. Expect these trends for the 2024 model. Diesel dominance: outside the US, diesel engines remain popular for their torque and fuel efficiency, especially in markets where the Triton is a true work truck. Electrification is coming. A hybrid Triton is highly likely, potentially a plug-in hybrid. A full EV is further off, but not impossible. A performance surprise? Could Mitsubishi slip in a sporty variant of the Triton to rival the likes of the Ford Ranger Raptor? It's a long shot, but would be exciting. Are you a fan of the Triton's underdog status, or hoping it becomes a major contender? Hit that subscribe button for pickup truck comparisons, off-road adventures, and updates on the 2024 Triton as details emerge. The Triton isn't trying to be everything to everyone. It will likely appeal to value-conscious buyers. If Mitsubishi keeps the price competitive, the Triton will undercut rivals like the Toyota Tacoma. No-frills workhorse: farmers, construction workers, those needing a tough, reliable truck without fancy gadgets. Adventurers on a budget: the Triton's off-road capability could appeal to overlanders who don't want to break the bank. The 2024 Mitsubishi Triton has the potential to shake up the pickup segment if it delivers meaningful upgrades while keeping its value-focused appeal. Only time will tell if it has what it takes. What's the one feature the new Triton needs to get you interested? Let's discuss in the comments. If you like this kind of no-nonsense truck review, hit that like button, and I'll keep you updated on the latest workhorses.